Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Patreon as a musician. So let's just begin. So if you do not know how to sign into the platform, you can watch one of our previous videos, actually two of our previous videos, where I taught step by step how you can simply sign into the platform. So let's just say you are a musician. So the settings are going to be inside Patreon, since Patreon is going to be completely customizable for you guys. If you are maybe a writer, musician, graphic designer, whatsoever, the possibilities are endless in Patreon. So all you need to do is simply customize your account and create different type of tiers. You can see we have different type of collections, shops, and membership and stuff like that. And if you head over to your membership, you can see you have your tiers. These are basically the plans that you're going to be offering to your audience for different type of posts that you share. You can head over to your home section. You can see we have this ad headline. You can simply type in here, I am maybe a musician. So you can simply type in here that, and maybe anything. This looks good. You can click on save and publish, then it is going to be saved. You can customize your name, your username, you can see you have your link that you can share, and you can also add your cover image. So customize it in such way that it is going to be looking and giving a feel of a musician. You can add your page, describe your page, your first post. You can simply upload posts related to your content. You can go live, you have your links, videos, and stuff like that. So that is basically how you can use Patreon as a musician, upload the content that you create, and that is pretty much it. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you guys in the next video.